the best girls in the world.
Leaving me with guilt, the only souvenir you bring.
I'm very excited, a little bit nervous, but we just have to be.
Potion, you're a guilty pleasure. I'm with him and this is real life, honey. Guess the joke's no longer funny. Would you run away? Would you run away? Would you run away?
Really nice. So nice and so cool to be on that stage. I'm really happy.
You can try me. All the things that I want to forget.
Are you ready?
No, we're the Beatles.
In front of me. You can't try me. You can't stop me. And I will never let it go. I won't keep up with the show.
Yes! That was so cool! Woo! What the fire?
That was so cool.
Yeah.
Huge
So much
stage.
energy. Yeah.
Such a huge stage.
But I already feel at home.
Yeah?
Can I move in?
I'm really excited for the stage now. It's like the biggest stage I've ever been in, so like we will see.
We don't need a Hercules to bring a man down to his knees. No more apologies. Philosophers like Socrates have
What's up, Eurovision? Are you ready for party? I loved it. I love the stage and I'm so ready for Torino.
Such a nice feeling.
We're gonna do our best, like we always do, and just remember to be ourselves, fun, and show the love that we give. Love you guys. Love you guys.
I'm in your backseat.
I feel good.
You are driving me crazy.
I'm excited.
You're in full control. It's like you always know. So
I don't know. I feel it a bit. I don't get too anxious.
I give that wolf a banana, give that wolf. And before that wolf eats my grandma, give that wolf a banana, give that wolf. Give that wolf.
How was the rehearsal?
The rehearsal was pretty awesome. We were a little surprised that there was no audience because we thought it was the final, but And we also thought that you guys really liked it very much since we had to do it 3 times. But we realized it was rehearsal after a while. Yeah, we're pleased about how it went.
Feeling great. I'm feeling excited and nervous. Lots of nerves are going on inside my head, but you can't tell it from my face. And I'm super excited because the staging is awesome. See you. I'm excited to try to sing and move at the same time for the first time in my life. That's what makes me nervous, but everything else is great.
Hello. It was good. So special to me. I don't know. It's so special. I can't.
It's day 2 in Turin, which means more first rehearsals.
Day 2 in Turin, that means one thing. More rehearsal.
Are you ready?
No, we're the Beatles.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see the stage like in real life for the first time. I think it's gonna be amazing.
We were a little surprised that there was no audience because we thought it was the final, and we also thought that you guys really liked it very much since we had to do it 3 times.